Hi guys, welcome back to Books with Brie. Today, in honor of St. Patrick's Day that just passed, I found an awesome book called Pete the Cat, The Great Leprechaun Chase. So I'm so excited to read it to you guys. Of course, I'm wearing my Pete the Cat shirt so that way I can match with my story today. And I also have my little green headband that has the little 4-leaf clovers on it, so you can match with the book today. So let's dive into our new book. Yay! Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, and Pete's teacher, Mr. G, is teaching about leprechauns. The only time you can catch one is on St. Patrick's Day. A leprechaun will bring you good luck, Mr. G says. Now, everyone in class wants a leprechaun. Pete gets a great idea. He will open a leprechaun catching business. What? Okay. St. Patrick's Day comes and Pete gathers some supplies. He hangs a sign above his stand. This will be easy, Pete thinks. Let's see, his sign says, Pete's Lucky Leprechaun Catchers. So he's got a box with bait in on his little table here. I wonder if it will work. Squirrel is Pete's first customer. I want a leprechaun, Squirrel says. I need good luck for my test. Wait a minute. What's the best way for having luck on a test? I think to study, right? Yeah. Cool. I'm on it, says Pete. Okay, let's see what Pete ends up getting. A squirrel. Let's see if that even works. Pete has a plan. He will follow a rainbow until he finds a leprechaun. Oh, so Pete's gonna be the one going to find the leprechaun. Oh. Finally, Pete arrives at the end of the rainbow and finds Clover, the leprechaun, next to a pot of gold. Pete sneaks up behind Clover. Swoosh! But Clover is too fast. Did you think you could catch me so easily? He asked. Once there was a cat named Pete who thought nabbing some luck would be neat. Then he happened upon a smart leprechaun who he'll find quite tricky to beat. Ooh. Clover disappears in a puff of green smoke. Pete will need a new plan. Oh boy. I wonder what his new plan is going to be. That afternoon, Gus visits Pete's Lucky Leprechaun Catchers. I want a leprechaun, Gus says. I need good luck for my band recital. Pete says, I'll see what I can do. Well, why don't he just practice, right? Practicing will help him. Pete plans to lure Clover out with his music. He plays a jaunty song on his guitar. Before long, Clover dances over to Pete. Just a little closer, Pete thinks. Suddenly, Clover starts spinning around Pete. Round and round, Clover goes faster and faster. Ooh. Oh no! Clover wraps up Pete with the rope. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Pete has finally met his match. A crafty leprechaun he just can't catch. He'll never win. He better give in or find something else to snatch. That evening, Callie visits Pete's lucky leprechaun catcher. I want a leprechaun, Callie says. I need good luck for my tennis match. She can practice. Says Pete. St. Patrick's Day is almost over. There isn't much time left to catch a leprechaun, but Pete won't give up yet. Okay, that means he's really determined to catch this leprechaun. Pete sets a trap for Clover. Before long, Clover tiptoes up to the trap and sniffs the air. I love candy, he whispers, peering under the box. Ooh, who doesn't love candy? Yummy. Pete waits very quietly. Crash! Pete rushes over and cracks underneath. Oh, and checks. I read that wrong. And checks underneath the trap. But it is empty. Clover skips away. What? Oh my God! Pete has an idea. He follows the trail of spilled candy to Clover's secret hideout. Oh, that's smart. Oh, wait, what did he say? What did Clover said? Pete has tried many a plot, but still I haven't been caught. And isn't it dandy? I even got candy, while Pete ends up with squat. Oh my gosh, he's making fun of him. Well, let's see what happens. Pete sneaks up behind Clover. Squash! Pete finally catches Clover! Yay! Why do you want me? Clover asks. I'm helping my friends who need some extra luck, Pete says. Luck doesn't come from having a leprechaun, says Clover. You and your friends have each other. That already makes you as lucky as can be. Oh, I like that. Could Clover be right? Pete is one very lucky cat. A lucky cat doesn't need a lucky leprechaun. That's true. He lets Clover go. Yay! He is lucky. He has all these friends. While Clover plays hide and seek, Pete learns something unique. The luck that you make beats luck that you take any old day of the week. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I like this. This was so cute. Oh, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you guys. I know I'm a bit late and I was really busy, but I wanted to say happy St. Patrick's Day to you guys too. I hope you guys had a beautiful day, and I will see you guys next time. And remember, you are important and your feelings matter. Bye.